Hey y'all, it's Day Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't get the chance to do a proper intro because my phone camera shut off while I was doing my contour. So not only that, you guys did not get the whole face routine, but I really want to focus on the eye look. So right now, I'm just making sure that my P. Louise base is evenly blended. You always want to make sure that you have a smooth base when you're doing eyeshadow. And I'm going into the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette and going into that deep red color. All names of the colors and all palettes and all details will be in the description box, including the details that you guys do not see in this video. Again, I sincerely apologize. I just need to go ahead and invest in the camera at this point. But right now I'm just packing on the eyeshadow. I'm using a Wet n Wild, I'm not sure what kind of brush it's called, but it's a Wet n Wild brush, and I always take that brush and I always pack the color on first and then blend it with a different color, as you're about to see. I'm left-handed, so my right eye is not my best eye. And I'm going back into that palette and taking that burnt orange color and blending it on top. Not directly on top of the color, but like on top. Like when you stack something on top, that's what I mean. I'm just blending. Like I said, I'm practicing on my eyeshadow because I really want to get better and I really want to put out quality content for you guys. And honestly, this is the best eyeshadow look that I've done. So I figured why not share it with y'all for Valentine's Day. Y'all can go ahead and wear it for your boo. I don't have a Valentine's, but you know, I figured I'd help y'all out. And I'm still blending. If you don't follow me on social media already, be sure to click the links in my bio or the names and follow me. I'm always on Instagram and I'm always on TikTok. So I went back in with that red shade just to blend it back in because I lost the color. If you lose the color, you can always just go back in. But I didn't put anything else on my brush. I just went in with the extra that was left over. Now I'm going into that Juvia's Place Berries palette and taking that dark plum burgundy shade. And that's what I'm going to use to put on my outer V and my crease to deepen up my crease. Y'all, that palette is so beautiful. I believe that's the best palette that Juvia's Place has, is the Berries palette. And I believe it's $14. So if you don't have it, you can go to Ulta and get it, or you can order it from their site. Juvia's Place always has sales. But I'm just blending. And you always want to blend. Even if you feel like it's blended, blend some more. That's what I'm working on. And I'm also working on like color matching. So just keep building up that color till you get the desired color that you want. As you can see, everything looks blended. I loved this look. And I don't even like pink, y'all. But I love this look. So I'm going back in as before and just taking those first two shades and just making sure everything's blended all together seamlessly. Now to cut my crease, I take a makeup wipe and I follow literally a little bit above my crease because I have small hooded eyes, and so when I open my eyes you won't be able to see that transition. I want you guys to see every detail. So that's what I do. I cut above my crease and then I go back in with my P. Louise base and I actually cut the crease. So now I'm taking my P. Louise base and this Real Techniques brush that I've been having for years. I don't even know the name of it. And now I'm cutting my crease. And one thing about this eye, my right eye sits higher than my left eye, but my left eyebrow sits higher than my right eyebrow, which is so fucking weird. And so I did cut my right eye crease higher than my left eye crease, but I did go back and fix it. So, you know, don't fret. It looks higher while I'm, you know, like right here, while I'm making sure I blend out the base. It looks higher, but once I fix it, y'all, it's gonna be fine. So I just take that dark plum burgundy shade and I kind of bring it like towards the inner cut crease. Now I'm taking that tan shade out of the Bobbi Brown. I want to say it's a Modern Renaissance palette. It was free, baby. I don't know the name of it. But I really do like that palette though. It's so pretty. And that's the color that I used on my lid. Now I'm taking my NYX matte eyeliner and I'm drawing my eyeliner on. I normally don't put my eyeliner or my lashes on camera, but I figured I did that eye, you know, decent. I really wish I would have didn't draw as thick of a liner, but hey, people make mistakes. And as you can see, I did go and fix that cut crease. So it still don't look even, but it looks, you know, decent, you know. I'm not perfect, so I just do what I can. And when you're doing your makeup, y'all, you just want to take your time. I feel like this look came out so good because I took my time. Now I'm taking my Benefit Porefessional primer, my Hourglass Veil primer, my NARS Soft Matte foundation, and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. That's what I would be applying to myself. I mean, to my face. Excuse me. No, I do not have corona. Now I'm taking my Pretty Fresh Colourpop concealer and putting it under my eyes and in my T-zone first, and then I'm gonna go in with that Tarte Shape Tape concealer and put it on top of Louis and Gucci. If you don't know who Louis and Gucci is, those are my designer under eye bags that just don't seem to go away no matter how much sleep I get. I've really been thinking about getting lip fillers. If you ever gotten lip fillers, please comment below and tell me about your experience. But as I said before, the video does cut off when I get to my contour and my powder. So I'm so sorry for that, but I did include pictures and videos for an outro. I film with my phone. That's all I have right now. So just bear with me. Comment down below if you have a Valentine or not. If you do have a Valentine, what are you guys' plans? Are you staying in? What are your plans? Now I'm taking my Real Technique setting brush and I'm blending out that concealer. Yeah, what are you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? Are you staying in? Are you going to be alone? How are you spending it? Are you spending it with friends and family? You know, it's an open discussion in my comments. I love talking to you guys. And I know you guys love talking to me because y'all my day ones. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button to become a day one, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I know that you want to see me. I'm the most adorable person on YouTube. Hello, I'm the star. And I'm so sorry that I was cut out of the frame again. I filmed with my phone. I can't see. I tried my best, y'all. So now I'm blending the right side. Ooh, Jesus. I do not have corona. I'm just a smoker. Because I just got a feeling somebody's thinking it. And this is when I take that Tarte Shape Tape and I put it right on top of Louis and Gucci. As you can see, Louis and Gucci is very much visible, child. Now I take my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the translucent deep. And that's what I lightly pat up under my eyes with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I had to go back to using the Real Techniques one because I've been having my beauty blender one for so long, and baby, she look raggedy now. I'm setting my T-zone. This is when I contour with my black Radiance foundation stick. And I believe this is where it cuts off. Again, I'm so sorry for the short video, but if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment, critique, tips, open discussions, video ideas, anything. I will listen to it. I'm blending out that contour. It's probably gonna cut off. Yeah, make sure you follow me on all of my social media. Like I said, I'm always on Instagram. I'm always on TikTok. I do post makeup videos on TikTok. So yeah, go ahead and follow me. Go ahead and subscribe to become a Day One. And I will see y'all in my next video. Y'all take care of yourselves. And happy Valentine's Day.
You pushing that fight, yeah, you holding on tight. Don't get caught in the hype. Caught in the hype. Don't leave out my sight. Don't leave out my sight. Tonight we won't fight. Tonight we won't fight. Be here when I